In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tickets in Zoho Desk. Navigating through the various features of Zoho Desk might initially seem overwhelming, but with the right guidance, it becomes quite simple. We'll dive right into the process, ensuring you have all the tools you need at your disposal. To begin, you'll want to head over to the main dashboard of Zoho Desk. Once there, direct your attention towards the top of the screen where you'll find the Setup option. Clicking this will open a gateway to various settings that allow you to customize how you manage support tickets within Zoho Desk. With the Setup menu open, locate and click on the Channels option. Channels represent the different ways customers can reach out to your support team. By effectively managing these channels, you ensure that no customer inquiry goes unanswered. Within the Channels pane, you'll see an option labeled Email. Go ahead and click on it. Email is one of the primary methods through which customers raise service requests, making it a crucial component of support management. Once you're inside the email settings, look for the Support Email Address option. By clicking this, you initiate the process of adding a new address to handle incoming tickets. Next, find and click on New Support Email Address. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the necessary details for the new support address. Make sure you fill out all the required fields accurately, as these details are vital for setting up your support operations smoothly. After inputting all necessary information, do not forget to hit Save. This step is crucial as it ensures all your configurations are stored correctly within the system. We now move to the From Address section. Verifying the status here is an important step. Make sure that the verification status is confirmed, as this prevents emails from being marked as spam, ensuring they reach your customers' inboxes. Next, click on the Help Center. This section is a great resource for self-service, allowing customers to find solutions without direct support interaction. Click on Web Forms, as they enable collecting requests directly through your site. The features don't end there. You'll also find the Feedback widget option. Setting this feature up allows you to collect feedback directly from users on your site. Go through options like highlighting, choosing your preferred web page settings, setting the title and background color to match your brand theme. Remember to save your settings once you're satisfied with how everything looks. Lastly, there are additional handy options: Pop-up, Embed, and iframe, all of which allow for different levels of integration with your site. Finally, explore the Chat option within Channels. By enabling chat, you allow your customers to interact with support agents in real time, creating a more dynamic and engaging support experience. And there you have it. With all these steps, you're now well versed in setting up tickets within Zoho Desk. Remember, mastering these tools can greatly enhance your support efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need a quick refresher.